Hello and welcome to our Alvieri historical dance. We're going to be doing the Virginia Reel today. The Virginia Reel is a folk dance from the 17th century. It has its origins in Scottish country dance and the Highland Reel, and also has an even earlier background from an Irish dance called the Rins Fada. The Virginia Reel is considered to be an English country dance and was popular in America from 1830 to 1890. It is such a fun and lively dance, and I think your students will love it. Each set can hold up to 12 dancers, 6 ladies and 6 gentlemen. And if you don't have those numbers, you can certainly have more boys than girls or more girls than boys. So grab a partner, let's get started. We're gonna make a long ways formation. We have our gentlemen over here on the left and a line of ladies on the right. So face your partner. We're going to begin by going in for 4, bow to your partner, and go back. So we go in, forward, 2, 3, and bow our curtsy, and back, 6, 7, 8. The next part, we're going to take right elbows, and we're going to swing our partner around, and we go for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and do the same with the left elbow. And left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to take both hands, we're going to swing around in a clockwise manner, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next part, we do a do-si-do. That's where we pass our partner on the right hand side, and we pass shoulders. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, then backwards, 6, 7, 8. So make sure you keep your facing. Next, we're going to do the seesaw, which is doing the same thing like a do-si-do, but using the left shoulder. Ready? And left shoulder, 3, 4, and back, 6, 7, 8. And Elisha and I are head couples. We're the head couples. So we're going to slide down the set. So we're going to take hands and we're going to go down and gallop for 8 counts. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now comes the real part. The head couple is going to go around linking right elbows. We're going to go all the way around until we reach a new partner. Then we reach our left hand, circle around, go back to our partner. Go to our new, I went wrong, new partner. As you can see, it's a little confusing. Around left hand and right hands with our partner. Left hand reach and partner. And left hand reach. And when we get back to our partner, we go around halfway and then gallop all the way up to the set and stop. Next, we peel the banana. So we take our head couple, we peel around the line swallow all the way down. We make a bridge, an archway, and everyone takes their partner and goes under, and everybody follows. And we have a new head couple. And then we do this entire thing over until every single person gets to go. Now, when you're in between or you're waiting, feel free to clap, have fun, and enjoy the dance. So let's try this with the music. Hey there, I'm just stepping in here. As I looked back at all the footage, I realized some errors that we made with regards to the timing of how the movement went with the music. So just a couple words of advice. When you get to the real part, it's really important that the head couple, when you have the swing your partner around, you do that for 4 counts. You only get 4 counts per person. So it needs to go around 1, 2, 3, 4, new person, 6, 7, 8, and in 2, 3, 4, and out, 6, 7, 8. That will help you get through all of those people in a shorter amount of time. Also, another word of advice, the peel the banana part. Make sure you do that in 16 counts. So you'll count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the head couple makes the arch. And then when the people come through, you do that in another 16 counts. So that's where we went wrong when we did it with the music, as you'll see in just a moment. but just wanted to step in here and make you aware of that so you don't make the same mistake. Thanks so much. 5, 6, here we go. Forward, 2, 3, and bow and back. 6, 7, 8. Right elbows and around. Left elbows, swing. 2 hands go around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do-si-do. And back. Seesaw, left shoulder. Head couple slides down the step. Here we go, let's do the reel. Halfway around, get back to your side, balance, peel the banana. Right elbow, left elbow, hand, do-si-do, right shoulder, around, left shoulder, soft, head couple, slide down, and turn, ready for the reel, go. There we go. And out. And in. And out. And in. Out. In. Slide back. Out. Right elbow, left elbow, and circle around, top line. Go, right shoulder. Right side. Head couple, slide down. Back. Ready to reel. In. Virginia Reel.